Hey Rebirth fam, we're currently setting up for Rain's first birthday party. I'm so excited. I'm here with my best friend Lynn and my wonderful mother, Dorette. Say hi.
Hi.
So as you guys can see, we're currently just pumping up some balloons and getting everything ready for tomorrow. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. So one by one, we're blowing up an assortment of different balloons. I started off with these cute little silver letter balloons that we decided to put on the back wall where we're gonna be serving food. There were tons and tons of mishaps. You'll see this balloon flying out of my hand, and the straw that I had to use to fill it up was literally super close to knocking my eye out. So if you couldn't already tell by the color of the balloons that we are currently blowing up, the theme of the party is rainbows and unicorns. I decided on pastel rainbow to be specific because I just find, the regular rainbow to be very harsh. The colors are just very in your face and very bright. And I just personally like, the pastel pinks and the soft yellows and blues and mints. And I thought it would just look really cute and really pretty. Getting into the how-to portion of things, your kit is going to come with this plastic garland. It comes with a big hole and a small hole. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your balloon pump, because don't even try and air blow these with your mouth, because literally you will hyperventilate and probably pass out. It's awful. Tie up your balloon. Don't forget to tie it up into a nice neat little knot. And then you're going to grab your garland and place the balloon through the big hole, and make sure that you get the knot all the way through. So I don't want just a little tail, I want the actual knot, the entire knot through the end of the other side of that garland. After you successfully get it through the big hole, you're going to slide it up and place it into the smaller hole. From there, you'll have a perfectly sturdy balloon garland that isn't gonna go anywhere.
Hi guys, so this is where we at right now.
Yeah, right.
A little progress.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, and I'm doing all the work.
So we got some reds and pinks and purples going on. We're creating this balloon garland, and so far so good, right?
It's cute.
So far so cute. So a few tips and tricks that I learned from my first time doing this balloon garland is, number one, watch some videos. So what you're doing right now is a great first step. Just watch a video before you actually start, so you have it fresh in your mind what you need to do and what you should be doing when you start. Make sure that you also blow up all of the balloons that you're gonna need firsthand. So when you do fill them up, don't make the mistake that we did and dash them across the room. It makes the time go a lot quicker if you color coordinate your balloons. So keep the purples with the purples and the pinks with the pinks. That way, you know exactly where the balloons are, and you can just reach over and grab the colors that you need. Get an assortment of different sizes of balloons, so that will give you some more depth to the look of your balloon garland. So almost everything that you see here, I purchased from Amazon. I will be sure to link everything that I got in the description box below, including the balloons, the balloon pump, and the cool, neat tools that I use, including the garland and the backdrop, if you guys are interested in that. However, the backdrop poles were purchased prior by my best friend, so I just borrowed those from her, but you could also find those on Amazon as well. And that's it, baby. This is the final look of the balloon garland. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.